Surface Coat is an all-surface protector, which provides UV protection, water repellency, dirt repellency, in an easy-to-use ceramic formula. Now, this product isn't just designed for automotive surfaces. It can be used on any car, boat, RV, and even some home surfaces to provide long-lasting, durable protection. Now, since Surface Coat is made with ceramic ingredients, it will outlast any typical wax or sealant on the market, as well as being extremely easy to use. Typical protectors in the past often implied a lot of work and a very difficult application. Surface Coat bridges that gap between durable protection and ease of use. Something that anyone with any background can use on any type of surface. You simply spray the product on and wipe off to provide very long-lasting and durable results. If you use this product consistently, you have indefinite protection on any surface, meaning that maintenance is easier, as well as a lot easier for you to keep the car clean or any surface you're using, whether it's the countertops in your home, your sinks, your glass, your windows, your car surfaces, your wheels. It's to repel dust and dirt and water in a way that other products can't match. Surface Coat was designed by professional detailers to provide any enthusiast with professional level results.